I can't believe it, but you guys, I forgot about mystery bags. I mean, since when do I forget about mystery boxes? This is like the best thing to open up. I have the most fun with these, and I forgot them. Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we are unboxing my forgotten mystery bags from FabFitFun. So these mystery bags are going to be the spring FabFitFun mystery bundles. Now these are mystery bundles that I do subscribe to and I receive every quarter with my subscription box. The problem that happened this time, and the reason why I ultimately forgot about these, is that when I filmed my unboxing video of my FabFitFun box, they shipped these mystery bags inside of that. So when I sat down to film, I was like, oh, I'll just set those aside because I don't want to show them in that video. And then when I got done, I boxed everything up, including these, and I went and put them in my done pile, meaning I've already filmed it, I'm done with this. So then yesterday I'm cleaning out and I'm going through my done pile and figuring out, where these products go and what I'm using and so forth. And I see these mystery bags and it all comes back. And I'm like, I totally forgot that I had these. Now, the only thing I will tell you guys, I am a little nervous because they are the smallest mystery bundles that I've ever seen. I was like, holy bananas, did they shrink while I forgot them? So we're gonna be opening up 3 mystery bags today. Now, if you would like to get mystery bags from FabFitFun, you have to have a current subscription with them that is active. So you have to already be subscribed to their quarterly box, and you can be an annual subscriber or a quarterly subscriber, it doesn't matter. And then you're gonna purchase what's called a refill. Now, a refill is effectively a subscription on its own where they will automatically charge you every quarter for those products. So you can choose beauty products in there. They have lots of different things. They have products for your dogs. You can do a candle every time and they will just automatically ship you a candle with your box for an additional fee. So it is fun to do. I like doing these mystery bundles because they're $20 a piece. You're able to do 3 maximum. And I find that for $60 for these bags, it all evens out and that it is a decent value for the products. Typically, one bag is really, really good. The second bag is going to be average, it's decent, and then the third bag is usually not my favorite. Like, it just always kind of plays out that way, but it all evens out. And honestly, I just get such a thrill of opening them and seeing what I'm gonna get that I can't really put a price on that either. That's why I'm saying, like, I can't believe I forgot these because I love doing this. But if you guys do want to purchase mystery bundles of your own, like I said, you need a FabFitFun subscription first, and then you can go into your account and then add these on as a refill. So I will be posting down below a link to sign up for FabFitFun if you haven't already, and you can customize your box right now. The spring box is shipping. You can still get these mystery bags if you do that, but don't forget them like I did. Okay, so we're gonna start with this mystery bag here. I mean, they're all 3 very tiny, you guys. This bag doesn't even have a label. So usually, this one has a label. So usually what happens is you get a label on here and it will tell you this is the 2025 year, the first quarter, and this is your mystery bundle, and the mystery bag is number 11 in this case. But this bag that I was gonna grab, it doesn't have a label anywhere on it. Okay, let's just maybe do this one first then. So we're gonna open up bag number 11, which, I mean, do you see, you guys? So inside of the mystery bags, you will receive 3 products in each bag. So the first official item inside of mystery bag 11 is coming from Kitsch. These are the eco-friendly creaseless clips. So there are 4 clips inside of this, and they have a pattern on here. It's kind of like an animal print design. I don't know if it's like a cow print, but something like that. These will help you to hold back your hair while you're either cleansing, maybe doing your skincare routine, or maybe you want to put your makeup on, but they're not going to crease your hair or put any weird lines in it. So they're easy to use. I have some of these already, and I do like that they do keep your hair out of the way because they are just clips. And then you can just go in, hold it back, and it's not going to crease your hair there or anything. You're done doing your makeup, you can just take it right back out and your hair is going to be completely fine. So they are handy, but clips don't cost a whole lot. The next item in here is from Ahava. This is a sheet mask that we have in here. It is a retinol sheet mask. So this is what it looks like. It is one mask, and it just states that it will help to target dullness, smooth out any lines that you might have, and give hydration to your skin. I mean, usually they're not like this. Okay, that's interesting. The last item inside of this mystery bag is a jewelry product, and it says CZ by Kenneth J. Lane. So I'm guessing CZ being a cubic zirconia. And it looks like we've got a pair of earrings inside of this bag. So let me pull this out. It's actually like, do you see all the bags? It's a bag upon bag in here. I'm wondering if they think these are really expensive. And I mean, they may be cute, but I do question, it is cubic zirconia, like they're not a real stone. So there's no price tag. I was really hoping for there to be a price tag on this, but there isn't. They are cute earrings. They have a pear drop design, so I do think they're really cute. Very big, so they're just a pair of studs. I mean, you're definitely gonna see them, but are they sterling silver? Is there anything about this that makes them more expensive? Because at this point, I'm just really questioning this bag. I wish there was a price tag somewhere on here, but I don't see anything. CZ by Kenneth J. Lane. Earrings, and they're in New York. Well, like I said, usually of my 3 mystery bags, there's always one bag that I don't really love. I'm hoping it's this bag. So like I said, for $20, I did get a pair of earrings. We also got some clips and we got a mask. You know what it is, you guys? I think inflation is hitting my mystery bags. And you know what? Now I'm upset. Now I have something to say about this because I love mystery bags. This is ridiculous. All right, let's hope bag number 6 is much better. So this is mystery bag number 6 we're gonna open up. We do have 3 products in here once again. The first item that I have is from Beekman 1802. Love this brand. This will most likely pay for my bag. So this is their Oat and Goat Milk Exfoliating Facial Cleanser. It is a full-size product that we have here. Cruelty-free brand as well. So this cleanser will feature goat milk and oats inside of it, which makes it a very gentle combination. So it's not going to be harsh. It won't strip your skin, but not only will it cleanse, it's also going to exfoliate and get rid of any dead skin cells that you might have or dry skin. So it should make your skin a little bit softer after using this product. Beekman is, I feel like they're affordable, but I feel like this would be more than $20. That's what I'm trying to say. Is they're not too expensive, but I do feel like this is probably a $17 to $25 item, somewhere around in there. So it probably just paid for the bag. The next item that we have in here are a pair of socks. These are happy socks. Well, at least they're happy and not like depressed or something. So this is what my socks will look like here. So these are a plaid design. They're very tall. This should fit, it says a US women's 5.5 to a 9.5 is the size on here. And it does not say, oh, it's 86% cotton. And then there's a few other fibers in here as well. So they do feel fairly soft. They're okay to me. They're not my favorite looking socks. And the last item that we have is the Sweet Dreams Satin Sleep Set. Wow, say that 5 times, you guys. I'm surprised I even made it through that. So this one is going to be a satin set. There's a pillowcase, a hair scrunchie, and an eye mask. This is from a brand called Insert Beauty here. So this will be a whole bundle that they put together. I do think it's really pretty that it's got kind of this sunrise look to it. I mean, you see the purples in there and the orange. It's very pretty. So this is what that mask will look like for your eye mask. And then, like I said, you will have a scrunchie in here. I do feel like the scrunchie is really big. This one, see, when I see loops like this, and I can feel it even, the band itself is a really thin band in here, and then this is all the extra fabric. But you can kind of tell by the seams, this does not cost a lot. So this one is definitely a fairly inexpensive product. And then the last item will be the pillowcase. I love the print, but man, satin is so unforgiving too. It just shows everything on it. So if you miss anything, it will really show it. But I do think it's a really pretty print. It's just when I look at, again, like the seams, I'm probably being way too picky, but if you are interested in these, I'm gonna at least show you what you're gonna get. But the seams themselves are not even straight. The stitching is not great with these. It's done very quickly. So you can tell that they're mass produced essentially. I do feel like it's a beautiful set. I love the pattern. I think this is a decent set and I'm glad that it's in a $20 bag because had this been in like a $100 bag, I would have been more upset about it. But actually, this bundle, I think all in all, it's pretty good. Now we're gonna open up our unbranded mystery bag. So I'm not sure what number this is, but this is the last mystery bag that I have in here. We opened up, what was it? It was mystery bag 6 and this was 11. So sometimes they'll put them in order and it'll be like 6, 7, 8. But with that being 6 and 11, that doesn't make sense. So I have no idea what mystery bundle this is. So inside of this bundle, we do have socks again. I like these ones a little bit more though, and there's more in here. So these ones are a set of 5 heel socks. They're coming from Summer and Rose, and we have 3 different colors. So we have white, black, and gray. I'm such a millennial that I like my ankle socks. I'm still not giving up the socks. I know the new trend is to wear the taller socks and have crew socks. Yeah, I still can't do it, you guys. I'm still wearing these. I also have fast food inside of this bundle. It says it's a leave-on conditioner, but I think they mean it's like fast food for your hair. So this is a full-size hair care product that we have here. And this one comes in at 8 ounces. It will hydrate your hair, manage frizz, and it's a lightweight product as well. So this is what the full bottle looks like. And the last item inside of our bundle, this is from Alterna, and it is their Moisture Intensive Ceramide Shots. There are 25 capsules inside of this. Now I think Alterna, isn't that a hair care company as well? I think, let me look at it here. A potent ceramide concentrate in a biodegradable capsule that will hydrate, reduce breakage, and strengthen hair. This will give you softer, shinier hair that's less frizzy and easy to manage. Okay, so then inside, you're gonna have your little capsules with that product. So this was like a hair care bundle. We got 2 hair care products inside of this. I would venture to guess, obviously the socks are not gonna cost a whole lot with this bundle, but I would think those 2 hair care products probably cost more than $20. I wouldn't even be surprised if one of them cost more than $20. So I would imagine that bag would be worth it as well. So that is everything for my FabFitFun mystery bundles for spring. Comment down below, you guys, what do you think of these mystery bags? This is the first time where I don't feel super excited with them. Usually there's always one bag that I'm like, yeah, this is great. I love this. But this one, I don't know, it just falls a little bit flat for me. There's nothing in here that's like super exciting. And I really don't like the first bundle. The sheet mask, like that bundle, I don't know. I feel like that one needs to be reworked. I'm not against those products, but I feel like it needed to be mixed up with some other items in there. The Beekman product is really good. I do think that's great in there, but I got a lot of socks, a lot of hair care. So I don't know. This one, I don't know that I lost money on this, but I'm also not super in love with it either. It's just okay. So you guys comment down below, we'll chit chat about it later, and I will definitely try and remember to unbox my summer ones as soon as I get them, and hopefully I won't forget it this time. At least now I know, don't put it in the done pile, and that way I'll get it filmed. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!